Video. In this video, we're going to discuss about VPS hosting plan. Suppose if you want to host any website like or application something, so where you can host, you can select any VPS hosting, whatever suitable for you. So I'm going to share you my knowledge. You can select with dedicated core, which is really cheapest as a compared to Google Cloud Computing or Amazon Web Services. So I found this website which is really nice, and here you can check the domain is basically the dedicated core.com. Also you can get this domain from the descriptions link, and here you can check here the multiple plans we have, like a standard VPS hosting and KVM Linux hosting, KVM Windows hosting, storage VPS hosting. So here we have the multiple plans as per your need. You can select whatever you need. Suppose you going to take for this hosting, so what you can get, depends on the requirement. Suppose one GPU CPU you can get, and also 2 GB RAM, sorry, yes, 2 GB RAM and 620 GB storage, and 2 TV bandwidth, backup optionals if you want to backup, so you can take. Okay, so also here select which is a VPS hosting and select Linux hosting. You can check here the plan is around the $2, as a compared to this increase, I think so, yes. Here you can get the same CPU and RAM and optionals, also backup optionals if you want to more of the things is really simple. So, and third one is the KVM VPS hosting, Linux hostings, and here you have the configuration. So what are the benefits here? So high quality top PPS services provided by this service provider only, resource on demand and complete web hosting, no long term contract, something reseller always welcome, secure and hassles free cloud based infrastructures. And so which kind of customer can buy this hosting? Suppose if you're having any hosting, other hosting you want to search, suppose no Node.js you want to host, Python you want to host, PHP or Java, any kind of applications you have, and you want to host your website any good platform, so you can select this one. Suppose you have the standard plan, okay, and here also you can check whatever plans and services provided by this hosting. Okay, so here you can check standard. We have the multiple plans here, whatever suitables for you, you can select whatever you need. So just scroll down, and here you can, if you want to, you have a large machine, so you want to host that particular machine, so you can select this one, standard VPS hosting, which is 22 dollar per month, and here 18 dollar per month around, which is here is this is really cheapest as a compared to any other service provider. Okay, and also if you have any questions, you can contact from the customer services, so they will help you to host the website and whatever, how they will help you basically. So they look here the best VPS reseller hosting also. If you want to reseller hosting, you can select from here also. Okay, here having the multiple partners, also you want to enroll something, you can directly click on the link and you can directly contact with them. Okay, so here we have the multiple plan A to Z, how to sign up, video series also is there, A to Z handle hosting, how you can select, so you can select from here and sign up, how to VPS reseller hosting, and all modules is here. You can click on this link and you can check all details related to this web, how to host your website something. So, and what is the reseller hosting basically, and any help you need, definitely you can click on the contact page and you can contact from them. Okay, so these are the basic information related to domain host, dedicated domain hosting, and you need any other details, so you can contact with them. Thank you for watching this video.